Alright, we will be getting to the new map with Shrek. So, yeah, I need
And I'm Tucker.
another thing.
Guys, I'm not gonna need. Yeah. We're also gonna be doing jack squat. I think I'm gonna pack a bag for
Alright.
uses.
Alright, there we go. So now we go right here. Oh, right there. You see that area? So now I dump out the umbrella. I'm really sick.
Caleb, why is there turkey skin?
I don't know. But you launch over here.
It's looking at me funny. I'm gonna hit it with an RPG.
Then you glide over here. I think I did it wrong. Oh, nope. Over there.
Firing in 3, 2, 1.
I made it. Can you grab a flashlight?
He's dead now.
Grab a flashlight and I'll teleport you down here. I don't know where I am. I've never seen this map.
Alright.
Alright, I'll teleport you. Alright. Let's go.